Are you tired for being noob and keep dying? Well, my friend, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to be pro like me.
Stop the cap!
Before we start, please like and subscribe because it helps me a lot. Step 1. Well, I don't give a shit. Step 2. If you don't have money to buy finger sleeve, try to put baby oil, I mean any powder that can put it in your fingers, and try to play with it so your screen is smoother than ever. Step 3. I don't know what step 3 is, so let's move on to the step 4. Step 4. Play the game seriously because that's how I do. Step 5. Don't always camp because the enemies will camp too. Step 6. Whenever you see the enemies, don't just stare at them. Fight them, just like this. Step 7. Always help your teammates because they are your teammates. Step 8. When you buy something in the shop, don't just stand right front of it, just go right side or left side of the shop so the enemy can't kill you easily. So that's all for the steps or tips that I just gave you today's video. I hope you learned something from me to become a pro like me. So if you are new here, please like and subscribe for more videos. So that's all. Thank you for watching and have a great day.